Welcome to day number 62 of the $1,000 account challenge, and today I'm up $52 in the account, or 0.5%. Yes, I know it's not that much money, but I have been sizing down recently due to market conditions. Now, if you don't know, my name is Gates. I'm taking $1,000 and I'm day trading options to see how far we can grow this account. I took one winning trade today, one losing trade today. That's also kind of why I'm here at break even rather than more profitable than what is shown. So first trade was taken straight off the day trade watch list on MU, short below $117. Now, MU actually did not break 117. It actually pulls back to 117 and bounces. However, because this was a setup that rejected the previous day's closing price right here on the bounce, I decided that this might look good for a continuation drop. And initially, we get that continuation drop. So on the next rally up, what do I decide to do? Take the entry short. So I go short right here with the stop loss at the previous day's closing price, looking for the move down towards $117. And unfortunately, we just don't get that. The stock decides to reverse, reclaim the previous day's closing price, and not only that, push all the way up into the high of day before reversing right back down towards the low of day. So kind of a ridiculous trade here. Yes, I know that I broke the rules, but look, I had reasoning, right? The break of the uptrend trend line, the rejection of the previous day's closing price, the follow through initially here on the way down, taking the entry short on the rally. I mean, this is typically how I would take an entry. Let's just say if the trigger level was set at 118.8. So the only thing I'm doing in this scenario is adjusting my short level based off the price action that I see. And unfortunately, this is just a trade that did not work out. So I wound up taking like a 27% loss on this position on MU, starting the day off red. The next trade that I took was on Apple, long idea above 171.5. This put me back green on the day here. 5-day, 5-minute time frame. This is a formation actually known as a descending triangle, where you have a flat level of support down at the bottom, and at the top you have a series of lower highs all converging to a point. Now, typically, this is a bearish continuation pattern where you would see a break of the support and the move lower. However, the gap up this morning let me know that maybe Apple is showing some strength, might validate the support, and instead of creating lower lows here, creates higher highs. And that's exactly what we got. So again, Apple, long idea above 171.5. We do get the break above 171.5 right here on the 5-minute time frame. 1-minute time frame, I'm waiting this entire time for a pullback, and we really didn't get anything to pull back to retest 171.5. So I made the decision on Apple when it did pull back to start to scale into this trade. And unfortunately, I didn't get an add on my position, so I did not get the full size that I wanted to get on this trade. We get the run up to the high of day, just through the high of day, and at this time, SPY starts to sell. Now, originally, I was looking for about a 40% to 50% gain on this because those contracts were really moving on Apple today. But with SPY selling at this time that we took the exit, my concern was that Apple was going to curl over and sell with SPY as well. So I just made the decision to lock in the profits while they were being offered, securing about a 28% gain on Apple. And that was just enough to barely make up for my loss previously on MU and put me slightly green on the day. So up $52 on the day, didn't get as much size as I wanted to on Apple, and then beyond that, I did not hold out for my sell target originally that I had on Apple, and I did kind of break the rules on MU. I don't know that I necessarily needed to take this trade, but I saw what I saw in real time, and I think that in real time, I made the right decision, not only to take the entry where I did, but also to cut the trade where I did. So that's it. That's all that I have for you today. Press that like button for me if the video has helped you out. Short, sweet, and simple. And consider subscribing to the YouTube channel as well. It's just the best way to support me and this type of work that I do. Again, thank you for your time, and I will see you tomorrow when we continue the $1,000 account challenge. Cheers.